Hello everyone. Here's another question on simplification. Of course, we know that simplification means to simplify a complicated expression to get a single answer. I already explained that in my previous video. All right, so we have another complicated expression to solve. Okay, so to be able to solve this problem, we need to be very careful. All right, of course, we understand that there's what we call BODMAS. Okay, and according to the rule, just like I explained in my previous video, BODMAS, okay, according to the rule, the multiplication should be done after our division. But in this case, we need to be very careful. Now, first, let's look at this side of this first part of the expression. We know that this will be the same as 5 times 5 here is what? 25. Okay, 5 times 5 here is also what? 25 plus 5. Okay, so we already know what this will give us. We know this is this plus this and this plus this. Okay, then divided by. Now for this other part here, so this will be 1/5 because there is a division sign here. Then divided by. So we have to multiply this. This will be 1/5 multiplied by 1/5 all over. We do the same thing here. 1/5 multiplied by what? 1/5 divided by 1/5, like that. All right, so we know that this will be what? 30 over what? 30 divided by 1/5, okay, divided by, this will be what? 1/25 over 1/25, okay, divided by 1/5. Okay, so we know that from here, this will be 1, then divided by, so of course, we're going to apply what we call KCR in this case. So we'll keep the first fraction, change the division sign to what? Multiplication, and then flip this fraction so that this will be 25/1 all over. We do the same thing here. 1/25 multiplied by 5/1. Okay, of course, this will be what? 5. So we have 1 divided by 5 over, this will be what? 5. So we have 1 over what? 5. So when we have a whole number divided by a fraction, of course, we know what will happen in this case. That means a fraction will be what? Will be flipped. Okay, and that will be what? 1 divided by 5 times 5, which will be what? 1 over what? 25. So the answer to the question is 1/25. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.